Tell me, A or B? I got to vote for B. All right, let's see. All right, let's see if we can make that work. Thank you. So if it were B, which strand would it be paired with? If you're making B, it's got to be paired with the top strand or the bottom strand of the DNA? With the top strand. If it's paired with this top strand, can that legally be paired with the top strand? No, because it would be going 5' to 3' in the same direction. So it cannot pair with the top strand. So let me write that out to be really clear. It cannot be B. So this would pair with top strand. But the DNA is going 5' to 3', and you'd try to base pair with an RNA going 5' to 3', and this is a no-no. This is not, they are not anti-parallel. And Tom, I'm actually super glad you said that, because I'm sure you're not the only one, and this is one of those cases where showing why the wrong answer is wrong is way more important than knowing the right answer. But let me be clear. Is everybody with me why this cannot be right? Questions about why that cannot be right? Yes? So the answer is, in order to be the sequence CCCG, that means it has to pair with GGGC, right? So that means it's pairing with the top strand. Except you can't pair with the top strand, because to make a bona fide base pair, they have to have strands have to go in opposite directions. So this is an illegal structure. All right? Yeah.
So the promoter region is on the 5' at the top.
Yeah.
Does that mean that it cannot bind the answer A either? Because in order for it to bind answer A, the promoter region would have to go to the 5' at the bottom.
No, so let me be clear. The promoter region, because your question is about what strand, shh, everybody, what strand the promoter's not on one strand or another. It's actually that whole sequence on both strands. So let me put it this way. Probably a safer way to think about it is A is the correct answer. Let me do that in a different color. Because this is going to be paired with bottom strand. Bottom strand. And that's a legal base pair. So you've got mRNA going 5' to 3', and the DNA on the bottom strand is going 5' to 3' that way. La, la, la. And this is okay. It follows all the rules. Right? Questions about that before we do the next stage? Yeah? Yep. Let's leave. If you want to talk about protein, I want to postpone that. Because I heard you. Let's postpone that for 1 second. I want to make sure everybody's with me on the RNA part, because this is really important. Yeah. Oh, no, that's not a question. Yes. Paired with the paired. No, that will pair with the bottom strand, because G pairs with C. All right. So if you draw it out, you'll see. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I did write it wrong. Holy mackerel. Yes, all right, sorry. Oh yeah, I totally meant to do that so that you guys would check it and make sure that you had it right. Yeah, right. All right. Sorry, I did have it wrong. No wonder with all this like muttering in the room. All right, fine. Okay, yes, I'm sorry. Yikes. Okay, so that is correct. All right? Yes. So you can see how easy it is to mess these things up. All right, very well. Let us move on to translation. The next question is what protein is being made. And I want to zoom in on that RNA. So I've got this thing zoomed in here. So what I'd like to do the same thing. Talk to your neighbor. What is the amino acid sequence of the protein that's getting made here? So follow the rules. Think like a ribosome, if you like. What's the protein sequence going to be? So think about it. Talk to your neighbor. I'll call names.